We are at the Freehold Raceway Mall in the Macy's court, and we're gonna go ride the MT. Up. Look at this. Out of order. See? It's not working. I guess it's broken today. I want to show you what it's like downstairs. Let's go down these escalators. It seems like the escalators actually break down more than the elevators do here. Elevators here are actually not that bad. They actually have good maintenance. Well, the service elevators, some of them are pretty questionable, but they're Dover, so they're pretty reliable. But let's check down here. Up, it has it down here too. Up. Let's check right here. See? See, look. Out of order, washing safe. Even the indicator's out. So, let's take the still picture. So, now all I have to say is EPIC fail. That's it.